footprints.
Kuya, kaya na ba?
Like this? This
What?
is a
Kada,
deer.
what?
This is a bear.
Huwag mo karangan si Pia.
And a
Focus ka lang
raccoon.
dyan. Yan. Yan.
They love to steal my
Oh!
lunch. What's this? A mountain lion. Hey, what else is around here?
Ano, bumalik yung ulan.
Wow,
Nandun ulit.
bunch of insects.
Papunta din ang
Do
hangin
you
eh.
see this? It's a butterfly.
Pagdating mo kasi sa gitna, sa tuyo ng hangin.
Ooh, a beetle.
Papunta doon ang alon sa kanila.
Hey,
Maulan
beetle.
pinayok.
Yung siyok
Let's
oh.
see. What else?
Uwi na meron. Sabi mo may ano
Look at those big wings.
Wala, baka bukas
That's
pa.
a massive insect. Whoa.
Hapon pa naman. Pag-awas si Sarah sa school.
Ay,
Some
sabi
animals
lang
in here.
Cute, ha?
We'll let them sleep. Oh, hey. Check it
Ito
out.
naman.
Whoa. Do you see that? There's a turtle in there.
Diyan mo magsawsaw. Dahan-dahan na na. Yay!
What are these?
Sinasawsaw, tapos ayaw kainin. Cool, guys.
Dinosaurs. I love
Dadating ba ba yung
dinosaurs. Like the Triceratops. Ooh, the
Baka
Stegosaurus.
nakalimutan na.
Dati yun, dessert kasi.
Baka tayo in-order. Sabay-sabay.
And the T-Rex.
Ginagaya na rin yung ano. Yung sinalihan ni Judy Ann. Sino yun? Punta. Yung contest ng lutuan, sinalihan ni Judy Ann. Yung matawag doon.
Speaking of dinosaurs, over there, I saw a
Yung
place
kasali si na
dig up
Ninong
some
Ray.
fossils. You wanna go?
Ayun kay Gordon Ramsay.
Ayun, ginagaya nito yung Gordon Ramsay restaurant. Yung appetizer. Carb. Tapos yun ang dessert.
Hindi naman yung contest. Yun eh, ano lang. Para siyang ano, conference
Doesn't get stuck. We
na
dig up some fossils.
may guest. Guest lang naman si Duday dun.
Oh, wait.
Yung nanalo yung estudyante.
Need to drive it.
Ano yung pampulis mo? Yung arte.
Estudyante talaga pa na rin dun.
Talaga yan.
Okay, we arrived at the place where all the fossils are.
Lalak pala.
I already got one earlier in the day.
Lalak.
Check it out.
Lalak mo lang pala.
Wow, that's a
Dang.
massive, massive fossil.
Ah,
Here's some
hindi
more.
ganun kalaki eh.
See?
700 plus.
Wow,
Walang tayo ubus.
look at that.
Dati 350 lang yun.
Whoa,
Itas mo yung ano.
check out this one. Whoa, wait a second.
Kung matagal
Looks
pa.
like a bunch of dirt. But
Hindi,
see how it's in a mound?
sa buko po matagal
I
tayo.
wonder if there's a fossil on
Ano pa?
a dinosaur fossil. Whoa,
Hindi, baka doon kasi ikaw bayad. Kaya ano.
Hindi yan. Ginaya nga yung golden. Sa mukha dami ng apil lang yung golden.
Yes!
Wow!
Lights,
do you
wow.
see this? This is a dinosaur claw.
Ikot natin. Naubos mo mag-isa? Piling-piling.
I don't know what it is, but it's a really cool dinosaur fossil.
Ayusin ko na kayo ng plato mo. ha?
Panlaban ka na nga ng kain.
Dili, dili. Oh! Uy! Why? Bye! Nalakas ang sigaw ko.
Ay, diyan ako yan.
Oh, look, do you see that?
Kakainin mo yun, ha?
Ipigipong pabalot
There's
ako nito.
kids riding tricycles. That looks like so much fun. Look.
Kakainin mo yun,
Ito
ha?
ilalagay yan. Tsaka pingpong ko dyan.
Let's go ride together. Come on.
May susunod.
Ikaw kasi sabi mo gusto mo. Ayan, o, naka-vlog ka.
Can I ride?
Wow! Umbrella!
Safety first.
Teka lang, oh.
Sipin mo kuya.
Ah! Naka-hot sauce.
Got my helmet on.
Wala pa lang ano? Paano na straw?
Here I go.
Paano na straw?
Yan yung mga
Yan. Drink water. Drink water na. Tama na. Akin na. Ibigay mo na kay mami yan.
Heavy.
Yeah, this is awesome. water.
Ah,
It
thank you
goes
po.
from the top all the way down to the bottom. Check this out.
What is?
And look at what I
Ang
have.
lamig-lamig.
A bag full of
Nine.
rubber
Tatapos,
duckies. Rubber duckies float. So if I
It's
put
really
them
cold
right
daw.
here,
Eh,
they'll
cold
go
na nga.
all
Eh,
the
tapos
way
ito
down
pa
to
yung
the
nila.
bottom. Watch.
Ha?
Oo.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
Baka natulog sa ilalim din.
Ayan nga, kanina.
I want to eat. I want to eat. Mama, I want to eat.
Is, what's the color?
Teka lang. Ay, get some pa. Lamig na kaya lumalok ko.
Look at all the rubber duckies
Dapat
down
pagtanghali
Ano
may
yung ilalim mo yun?
here. To the bottom from the very tip
may
top.
nagtip lang kasi sa anong ibabaw. Baka yun ang pampalasa.
Yan ang gusto. Tayo.
There's a coconut.
Ice? You want ice?
Just making music with these
Ice? Oh, ice.
little balls at the end.
Ayaw niya. Hayaan mo
Okay
na.
na.
These are pieces of wood. Check it out.
What taste?
Baka kabakan.
Ano? Okay lang na hindi matamis. Coconut. Ito po ng ice bunso. Sit properly. Ayun.
See what other instruments are here.
Isip ko nga yung mag...
These are giant metal pipes. You smash them together. Check it out.
Ang nguya-nguya ko yung ano, kala ko label. Nandito na ano, yung label. Yung bunot.
Dito na nga sa ilalim.
Ha?
That was awesome. Okay, there's some more over here.
Duwag na yun. Ano na duwag lang.
Another
Wow,
mallet type
umbrella.
of thing. But then you hit on this big, round, circle metal thing. I don't know what kind of instrument this is, but listen.
Fish, fish.
Babe, wag ko na pilitin. Huwag ko na nagkaligyan. Yung naman.
Yung sigat ng ano?
I make such great music.
Oo. Kami hatas yung bunso. Wag ko.
Rainforest sticks. Sounds like you're in the rainforest. Here's another one.
May tutigas. Matigas naman. Luha mo na.
Yeah.
Bisag na yan, B.
What's over here?
Lalandi na eh.
Pinakit na ano.
Yung pilipig. Pinipig pala, pinipig. Nakatapang si Katabakdo doon.
This is a path above the ground.
Ari, malambot.
Whoa.
Ari,
We're
galing.
really high in
Pero
the
yung mga
air
bilog
right
matigas.
now. Check this out. We're gonna have to go over here.
Good for ano pala to? 4%.
So as you can see, we are really high in the air. See? Oh.
Yay!
This is called the hawk's nest. Because you're so high in the air, you feel like a hawk. Oh, and speaking of hawks, there are some feather costumes over here. Hawks are birds that fly really high in the air, and they search for food like this. Ah! They have really good eyesight. Will you act like a hawk with me? Are you ready?
Yan, oh, maliwanag pa anong oras na. So, ang tagal na, oh. 10 minutes na.
Look at this. This area is the mud and clay area. You can
ice cream and basta ice cream.
Uy, natulog ka rin isa.
and play
Hindi
it
nga
fun.
tulog, nasanda lang sa'yo.
Scoop, scoop, scoop.